Hi friends, good morning all of you. In the today's video, I am going to explain Staff Selection Commission upcoming examination dates and SSCGE electrical syllabus. See here, Staff Selection Commission has announced examination dates, especially first see this, for junior engineering, civil, mechanical and electrical and quantitative surveying and contracts, that is examination is September 1 to September 4. For SSCGE electrical, civil and mechanical examination dates are from September 1 to September 4. This is for SSCGE examination dates. And remaining also just see here, CHSL examination dates are given like this, August 17 to August 21 and in the same way August 28, 24 to 27. This is for CHSL. And for selection post examination for phase 3 is September 7 to September 9. And for stenographer examination, the examination dates are September 10 to September 12. For sub-inspector in Delhi Police and CAPF examination is September 29 to October 1 and October 5. So, these are the examination dates for different examinations. So, now especially see this for SSC Junior Engineering exam, what are the syllabus for electrical, see here. So, this is the syllabus, electrical engineering syllabus for SSCG exam, and these are the concepts. For basic concepts, so total exam will be there for 100 marks, for 100 marks paper 1 will be there. So, paper 1 basic concepts 10 to 13 marks weightage is there, and for circuit laws 2 to 3 marks, and for magnetic circuits 8 to 9 marks, and AC fundamentals 7 to 8 marks weightage is there. So, almost all these concepts comes under circuit analysis mostly. In that subject all these concepts will be covered. So, see here concepts of resistance. Regarding resistance, what is the basic principle of resistance they will ask, and usually simple problems will be given based on this resistance, you have to solve it. Okay. For inductance and capacitance, what is the basic principle, how it works, we need to know, and various factors affecting them, and concept of current, voltage and power, energy. So, regarding this very important concept of current, voltage, power, energy, many more problems we will get in exam. Okay, regarding current, voltage, power, energy, you need to know theoretical concept, in the same way formulas also you need to know regarding this. And for circuit laws, regarding circuit law, Kirchhoff laws, simple circuit solution using network theorems. So, regarding network theorems, Kirchhoff laws means mostly for Kirchhoff current law and Kirchhoff voltage law. So, based on these two things you will get problems. And using network theorems, so Thevenin's, Norton's, Telegens, so based on superposition theorem. So, based on the theorems you will get the simple questions. Okay. For magnetic circuits 8 to 9 marks weightage is there, and concept of flux, MMF, reluctance, different kinds of magnetic materials, and magnetic calculation for conductors for different configurations. Okay. So, for positive polarity, if both are positive polarity, how the formula will be, if both are negative opposite polarity, what are the formulas we need to know regarding magnetic circuits, and for straight, circular, solenoid and configurations, these are. Okay. Electromagnetic induction, self mutual, so very important regarding this, we need to know the formulas regarding this, and the concept also very important, self and mutual induction important. AC fundamental 7 to 8 marks weightage is there, instantaneous, peak, RMS and average values of alternating waves, we need to know that. Okay. And next see here regarding AC fundamentals, very important, that is representation of sinusoidal waveform, simple circuits, series parallel, so very important regarding series parallel. So, many questions will be given based on this. See here series parallel, many questions will be given, quality factor will be asked, important. Okay. Frequency formula also important regarding this. AC circuit consists of RL and RC resonance. Regarding resonance circuits, very important, quality factor and RL, in case of RL what happens, in case of RC what happens, what are the formulas, in each case very important. And for tank circuit, what is the impedance, and polyphase system, star delta connection, what are the formulas, very important. And three phase power, DC sinusoidal response of RL and RC circuits. So for AC fundamentals, you will get 7 to 8 marks weightage. Okay. So measurement and measuring instruments, very important concept and an important subject also. This is measurement and measuring instruments. Mostly if you practice the previous questions, most of the questions usually repetitive in nature. So in the previous videos you can find it. I think it's most watched video in this channel. More than 2 lakh people have seen that video, and very most repetitive questions, most repetitive models those are. Okay. And measurement of phase 1 and phase 3, both active and reactive power. And 2 wattmeter method, very important. Regarding 2 wattmeter method, many questions will be given usually. So 3-phase power measurement, 2 wattmeter method we usually use for 3-phase power measurement. And measurement of frequency, phase angle, ammeter and voltmeter, moving coil and moving iron, this is also very important. Regarding ammeter, voltmeter, so regarding moving coil, moving iron, what are the formulas and what is the concept behind it, we need to know that. And extension range, if 1 voltmeter is added, if 1 ammeter is added, so what are the cases we can know from this. And the multimeter, mega, what is the applications for multimeters, megas, energy meter, we need to know. And regarding energy meter, high inductor or high resistor, we need to know. And AC bridges, all AC bridges we have to know. And use of CRO basics are important, signal generator, CTPD, and the uses of earth fault detection. Regarding AC bridges important. Okay, all the bridges we need to know. Simple circuits will be given. Regarding AC bridges, they will give you the circuit and they will ask you to calculate the unknown resistance in it, and based on formulas also they will ask you. And electrical machines, so regarding measurements and electrical machines, very important this is, because for all competitive exams electrical machines questions are very common, and in many exams you will get the questions. And 16 to 21 marks weightage is there for this, 16 to 21 marks use weightage. And DC machines, construction, basic principles, DC motors and generators and their characteristics, very important. Regarding characteristics, see here, DC machine construction, basic principles of DC motor, generators, their characteristics, speed control and starting of DC motors, method of braking, losses, efficiency, single phase, 3-phase transformer construction principles. So here most important is DC machine construction. In the construction we need to know regarding stator and rotor and what are the materials we are using in that, we need to know. And characteristics also very important. And curves, regarding that characteristics, curves are important for series generator, how it happens, for series, for parallel generator, how it happens. So curves also very important, that is characteristics are very important regarding this. And these are the remaining topics, we can go through this. Regarding torque, speed, characteristics very important. Regarding slip, torque and speed related, you will get many problems and theoretical questions as well. And fractional kilowatt motors, that is single phase motors. Fractional kilowatt motors means single phase motors, that is single phase induction motor. And characteristic applications also important, like a stepper motor where you will use, like that simple questions will be asked. And in fan, which kind of motor we use, so all comes under this single phase motors. Synchronous machines, 4 to 6 marks weightage is there. Regarding generation, 3-phase EMF, armature reaction, voltage regulation, very important. Voltage regulation, parallel operation of 2 alternators, and synchronizing control, active, reactive power, very important. Regarding active, reactive power and parallel operation, very important regarding synchronous machines. So excitation, based on excitation, whether it is leading or lagging, everything is important. 4 to 6 marks weightage is there for synchronous machines. Next, generation, transmission, distribution, 12 to 15 marks weightage is there. Different types of power stations, so hydel power station, nuclear power station. So based on this, many questions, thermal power station, so theory questions usually given on this. And regarding load factor and diversity factor, problems will be given. And demand factor, cost of generation. And types of faults also very important, short circuit current for symmetrical faults, switchgear ratings, so all these are important for buckler's relay, for where you will use, for edge price protection, where you will use. So all are important topics. So regarding machines and generation, transmission, distribution, all competitive exams you will get the questions mostly. System cable, different types of cables, cable ratings and derating factor. Estimation and costing 6 to 8 marks. Regarding estimation, costing, utilization, you can find the objective questions regarding this in JB Gupta objective book. And utilization, electrical energy. So estimation and costing 6 to 8 marks weightage is there, and utilization of electrical energy 5 to 7 marks weightage is there. And in this, most important is illumination. So regarding this, we have discussed in previous videos also. Illumination, some class notes we have taken a scanned copy and we have explained in PDF. Okay, so you can see that. Electric heating, electric welding, electroplating, electric drives and basic electronics. So basic electronics 7 to 10 marks weightage is there. Working of various. So thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends.